This 2019 Coachmen Catalina 283 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 32 feet 6 inches in length and features external shower, smoke detector, spare tire kit, microwave, slide-out, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, awning, LP detector, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-living area, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Coachmen Catalina 283 RKS is 6,449 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.